Windows operating system records everything on the Windows registry. As you keep progressing and using Windows, the registry gets flooded. Also, if you have made any incorrect changes to the registry, it will display errors. In all these cases, you can reset the registry to default. So in this video, you will see how to reset the registry to its default in Windows 11. Restore the registry to default by resetting the PC. Since the registry stores a lot of information about Windows-specific configurations, if you want to completely reset the entire registry, you can do so by resetting the computer. Open the settings of your PC. On the System tab, go to the Recovery section. Under the Recovery options, click on Reset this PC. Here you get two options. One is to keep my files, and another one is remove everything. If you want to just reset the registry and keep all your apps, settings, and personal files, you can choose the Keep My Files option. However, if you want a fresh and clean PC, you can select Remove Everything. Then follow the instructions to reset the PC, and you will have a default Windows registry. Reset the registry to default using System Restore. If you simply made incorrect changes to an application or other computer configuration, you can use System Restore to restore the system to the state before the changes were made, and the registry will be restored to the state it was in before the changes were made. To reset the system, click on the Start menu and search for Create a Restore Point. Click on it to open. Then here select System Restore. Click on Next here, then select the Restore Point. Click on Next and restore your system as well as the registry. Reset Windows registry to default from backup. Another method to reset the registry is restoring it from the backup of the registry. If you have taken the backup of your registry, you can restore it from that. It is recommended that before making any changes to the registry, you take a backup so that it can be restored to the default. On the registry editor, to take the backup, click on the File menu and select Export. Give it a name and save the file. To restore the backup, you can select the File menu and select Import. Then choose the REG file, then click Open. That's how you can reset the Windows registry. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them below. And share this useful video with your friends and family. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell button to receive alerts for videos on Windows tips and tricks.